Deepseek is the model on everyone's lips right now, and for very good reason. They recently came out with their R1 model, which actually surpasses ChatGPT's latest model and is also a staggering 30 to 40 times cheaper, if not a bit more. But this has really taken the entire AI world by storm. Even the crypto markets have been affected by this news, and the US stock market has been crashing severely because everyone's just figured out that if you can actually create AI infrastructure this cheaply, then American stocks must be overvalued. Anyway, we're going to get right into how you can actually use this new technology as a consumer directly on your laptop and locally so that you can have access to Deepseek without even being connected to the internet. This is also great for people who have privacy concerns. I deal with many clients who have privacy concerns, and this is a great way to get around that because all your data and information will be stored locally on your computer. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go over to lmstudio.ai and you want to download the model for your particular device. For me, it's going to be a Mac. As you can see, that's downloading there in the background. Okay, great. Now that's downloaded, I'm going to open it up. I'm going to drag it to my applications folder. Now, bear in mind, when you're actually downloading the model, you will need to be connected to the internet. However, once the download has finished, you'll be able to use the model whilst being offline. Great, now I'm going to launch the app. Now, in order to use the Deepseek model, I'll need to go over here to the purple magnifying glass and search for it. Now you'll see here there are two different versions. So Quen is better at solving math problems and doing calculations, and the Llama model is better at general knowledge and coding. And these are slight variations I'm talking about. Really and truly, they're more or less the same. I'm going to go for the Llama model and I'm going to download it here. Now, as you can see, this is downloading. It's going to take up 5 gigabytes. And I can see I've got about 10 minutes left on this download. Okay, great. So now the download is completed, I can just click load model. And as you can see, I've now got Deepseek R1 running locally on my laptop. And to prove this, I'm going to turn off my internet connection. So as you can see, my Wi-Fi is off, and I'm going to ask, what is the meaning of life? As you can see, it's thinking. And what we can do is we can actually take a look and see exactly what it's thinking. It's a big question. Where do I even start? Maybe I should think about what people have told me before and what I've read somewhere. This is really cool. Yeah, okay. It's also mentioning existentialism. Makes sense. It's also mentioning growth and self-actualization, finding your passions and potential. All of this makes sense. So yeah, I'm going to leave this here, but as you can see, there's a whole lot you can do now with Deepseek, and this is only the beginning. I really love the fact that it always gives you its chain of thought whenever it's answering you. Really and truly with ChatGPT, you have to sort of always add, take me through your thinking or something like that at the end. But yeah, this is just a fantastic way to, really dive into what's happening under the hood of the large language model you're using. It also makes it a lot easier to tweak the outputs that you're getting. So that's it for this video. If you're really interested in getting ahead with AI, make sure you join my school community, Everyday AI with JI, where I post the latest discoveries that I come across in the AI space.